Hi, it's Anna with WTI. Does anything make a front porch look more welcoming and have better curb appeal than hanging baskets? They are one of my favorite things, and these by Karlliu are excellent choices. These are the 12-inch pots, and it comes in a set of 4. So that was a perfect amount for my porch. They are super easy to use. They have the really nice coconut husk liner, which I think looks really natural and just simple, and it blends in with nature. And then these have something that I haven't seen before. It is this tiny little plastic bowl that goes in the very bottom, and I feel like that will really help hold some moisture, because if you've ever had hanging baskets, you know they can dry out super quick, and I think this will really help. The pattern in the iron basket, I think, is really just a clean, sophisticated look. It has a little bit of design with the crosses and then the straight lines, but it's nothing that's too over the top. I feel like these hanging baskets have really upped our front porch. It is so pretty. We love to sit out there, and I love to have flowers all around me. So if you're looking for some really nice hanging baskets so you can do your own little concoction of flowers like I like to do, try this set by Karlliu. You will not be disappointed, and that is my point of view.